Remember me? Okay, so I have another dilemma. I feel like me appears whenever I have a dilemma. So let me explain that. Art boxes, subscription boxes. I have never ever indulged in those ever before in my life, but today is a special day, guys. The lovely bros over at UPCRATE, the art subscription box, kindly reached out to me so I could review the products in this box and their box itself. But guess what? This is where my dilemma comes in. Personally, I like knowing what I'm going to use right away, and given that I only tend to use a specific amount of things, whether it be only one program on digital mediums or freaking only 1 or 2 coloring mediums ever, let's say this is going to be a challenge. I'm going to be using probably most of these materials for the very first time, and I'm gonna give myself that kind of challenge today. One of the things that I really like doing as an artist is challenging myself, so without further ado, let's open this kind of challenge. So right away I noticed this paper. It feels really nice. And it also comes with a little magazine and a sticker set and a piece. UPCRATE also does this like little battle. I will be explaining more about that later, but let's get into the actual meat of this, which is the freaking materials. Let's go. So, UPCRATE's theme this month is Let It Out. Let me explain the materials that actually came within this theme. Conveniently, the magazine also shows like all the details of the materials that you're getting. Here we have these watercolor dots. I've seen a lot about watercolor dots before, but I'm really excited to use these for the first time. This is absolutely so adorable, and yes, the magazine explains this as well. I got 2 of these gorgeous Van Gogh half pens, this watercolor brush, and bros, I have never invested in an actually good watercolor brush before. What is watercoloring for me without a water brush? And bros, we have here a Winsor & Newton product. It already looks so elegant. UPCRATE, I love you guys. And last but not least, but I actually mentioned this first, we have the watercolor paper. So now that I have and know a little bit more about each of the materials, I am now going to start sketching, and I'm going to follow the theme of Let It Out. I'm also going to be explaining to you guys what this battle is all about. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, let's talk about this subscription box name of UPCRATE. UPCRATE makes monthly curated art supply boxes, and they select high quality brands and supplies if you haven't noticed already. I'll expand on this a little bit more later, but it actually includes a lot of things that will help you create a finished piece. As I also showed you, there's a merch line that includes stickers and prints, and they also collaborate with artists like every month, and they also do interviews with artists to help you gain your inspiration. And I'm so happy about this section because I love how they support artists along the way. The magazine, as I mentioned before in like a text bubble, it's filled with tutorials and it's actually really helpful. I have actually used it a lot throughout the course of this creation video, so it was 10 out of 10 helpful for me. And after saying all this, the price is 24 euros a month as said on their site, which is around $25 US dollars a month. And to be honest, I've never tried a subscription box before, but I feel like this is totally worth it considering the materials that you get. And if you want an additional discount, they have kindly gifted me a code as well that you guys could use. It's BUN15 here on the screen. Also in my description, check out their website. But yeah, thanks for UPCRATE for also giving me a code, SLAY. Now let's talk about UPCRATE Battle. In my actual piece, I tried to make it seem like I was participating, even though I'm kind of late to that. But anyways, UPCRATE Battle is a battle where you only use the supplies in the crate and follow the theme of the crate in order to create a piece of your own that obviously goes along with the entire month's crate. The how-to section on the back of the magazine also shows this, but you cut out this little corner of the magazine and you put that alongside your photo when you're taking pictures, so that means you could be able to join the competition actually. Essentially, this acts like a little contest, and you also win prizes if they select you as the winner, of course. So now that I've spoken about the actual battle, let me talk about how I tried to incorporate that within my piece. So in my actual piece, I drew my OC Shiro, and the theme this month was Let It Out. I feel like Shiro is one of my OCs who's had to let a lot of things out during the course of his storyline. He used to be a suspicious little character of mine, and I feel like he had a lot of pent-up rage and emotions throughout that time of his, so I drew him crying out gold tears because I received a gold ink, which was slaying. And also relating to the theme, I let him let out his wings and his emotions, so yeah, that's how I followed the theme of Let It Out. And to be honest, this is like one of the very first times that I've shown me doing watercolor. I'm not a watercolor pro, so this is kind of like a very vulnerable moment for me, I think. But if you like this or have any watercolor tips for me after seeing my process, please do let me know. I need them, please. Thank you. As you guys may know, in the beginning, my dilemma was I was very afraid of not knowing what supplies that I was going to get and what I should use or how I should use them. But overall, I think this box was a very fun way for me to discover new supplies and to expand my creativity, so I feel like you guys should check it out if you were thinking of getting a subscription box or if you just want to try to expand your creativity like how I did. But yeah, special thanks to UPCRATE for sending me over this box. I really appreciate it, and yeah, if you want to get one of your own, check out my code BUN15 and the link in the description. And yeah, hope you guys like it. Here is the completed piece. Hopefully you guys like this video, and let me know if you are willing to conquer this fear of the unknown and try out some new art supplies with me in the future again. Yeah, that was it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this piece and this video. If you did, please consider leaving a thumbs up and maybe subscribe if you want. Hit the bell. I post once every blue moon, but I'm trying to keep it consistent now, if you haven't noticed. But yeah, that was me. That was Bun. Bye!